Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sharpen a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture, press on adjustments down below, and after that press on sharpen. And now you can just swipe to the right or to the left and you will be able to sharpen the picture. And once you're done with it, you can just simply leave, or you can just apply other effects. You can continue editing if you want to, but either way the changes that you have made there will be saved. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.